It's 5 a.m. Let's go to Texas.
Here we go.
Guys, we made it through security. I had to get my crotch patted down.
Here we go. Here we go.
Hi guys, so today me and Emma, we're going into Austin, and I thought I would put this in the vlog because it's going to be very fun and very pretty, and I'm excited. And look at our dresses, fit check. We are supposed to have necklaces on that look like this that are crystal. I have rose quartz, and Emma has tiger's eye, so I hope you like our day in Austin. We're going to the city! Ooh, yeah. We just went to Joe's Coffee. And I got a taco. You're gonna get one. Hey. We leave Austin now. It was really fun. I liked it here. Hey guys, look who I just met. I'm gonna make this TikTok. Hey, that's okay. Hello everybody. So I actually have been in Austin for 11 days, even though I only recorded for one of the days. But I'm going back home now, and we just got Starbucks. I got a Sammy, and I asked for a tall and they gave me a grande. So I think that's just a sign that today is a good day. Okay, I'll be home soon. Say hi to the vlog, Mom. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, I got a pink wig. I have no idea how to do wigs. The lace front is still on there. Also, this wig was like $20 off of Amazon, and it's definitely like the worst wig ever. But I just wanted to see what it would look like, so I bought it. And I'm home now. I'm really happy that I'm home. Texas was really fun, but I needed to come back to see my family. I don't know what to do about this wig. I'm gonna try to do a role play with it. Want to see some more stuff that I bought? Let me show you. These cool sandals. They're so freaking cute. I love them. I got these. I also ordered a shit ton of elf ears and these little like golden claws to wear on your fingers. And they make a really cool sound, like the noise whenever you put them all on. They sound so cool. So that's gonna be for ASMR. I ordered these earrings. I'm pretty sure these are earrings. I ordered them from a small business. I just got a PR package thing from a CBD company. And this is my friend's birthday present that I ordered from her. I got her a blend jet. Ooh, hopefully she doesn't see this video before I give this to her. I'll tell her not to watch the end. Okay. My wig cap is falling down. I don't even know what to do about this wig, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know there wasn't a lot of stuff that happened. I'm gonna try to make more like long-term vlog content. I don't know. This was kind of just a test run to see if I could like vlog out of state. I don't know. I was kind of more focused to being in Texas than vlogging about it. But I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Tell me anything you want to see, and I'll try to do it. I love you guys so much. Goodbye, vlog.